Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore landing pages using Unbounce A B testing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore landing pages using Unbounce A B testing, first, log into your Unbounce account. Navigate to the campaigns section from your dashboard. Select the A/B test campaign that includes the landing page you want to restore. Click on the variants option within the selected campaign. Identify the variant that you wish to restore and click on it. In the variants overview, locate the option labeled Restore to Original. Click on this option to proceed with the restoration. Confirm the action when prompted by the dialog box. Once confirmed, the landing page will revert to its original version. Review the restored landing page to ensure it reflects the desired content and layout. If everything looks correct, publish the landing page again. After publishing, monitor the performance metrics of the restored page over time. Adjust any settings or elements as necessary based on the results. Repeat this process as needed for any additional landing pages within your A/B test campaigns. Properly managing your landing pages can lead to improved conversion rates. Utilizing A/B testing effectively allows for continuous optimization. Always ensure you have a backup of your pages before making significant changes. By following these steps, you can successfully restore landing pages in Unbounce using A/B testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.